In this Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 3 video tutorial, we're going to talk about easy ways that you can get kind of quick help when you're on the embroidery side of this machine. So sometimes these symbols are a little elusive. So what do they actually mean? Let's start by opening up a built-in design from the machine just so we have something on the screen to kind of look at. I'm going to just pick a simple design. This actually fits in a 120 by 120 hoop. It's not very big, but I am going to center it just to give us a little bit of focus here. And when we have questions about how to use this machine or what some of these icons mean, one thing that we have is the little I for information. When you touch it, an icon explanation screen is going to pop up. So these symbols and their definition, for example, mirror image side to side, will reference what these items are. So at a glance, if you're looking for one of those and you see it, then you'll be able to come down here and find the duplicate button or find the scale button. And we have done videos on many of these different topics, so you can go back in there. So that's one way to go around the machine. If you find that little I for information, now if you don't even see these symbols, this little down arrow has hidden them, so which is a nice thing to have. So you might need to touch the up arrow to have them appear. Another place that you can ask the machine, like, what is something, is to come up here and touch the question mark. As soon as I touched it, there's a pulsating circle, meaning whatever I touch next, so let's just come down here, same thing. I touched one icon and up will come that definition. Now, if you haven't gone through kind of the built-in manuals of this machine, there's some great information you can search for. Of course, all of the videos that we've been doing here at Sewing Mastery will help you go through this machine from beginning to end. All the sewing videos, all the embroidery videos, plus we have a huge amount of online courses that are perfect for mastering this machine, giving you places to actually work through with projects to get familiar with all these different items and how to really use them when you sit down with your own embroidery projects. We'll put links below this YouTube video so you can check those out. And a lot of our courses have free video lessons that you can watch to see if that course is right for you. So next time you sit down at your machine, touch the question mark or open up the I for information and start exploring what you have built in to this beautiful Epic 3.